Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists, aproko, anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column aproko saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
See, iyore, the question where I want me to ask you. All these single mother where be say you they carry men they give, so all these single mother. You know they feel settled there with their baby father, iyore. Iyore, all these single mother where be say you they carry men they give, so where it settle with your baby father here. In wegiri where do ya una no marry na hina iyore, because I have a video when you were wash. And the day discussing. Imagine who be here, different father. All your tamawa you need to be an etan. And we have that say with that moon where you na. If they laugh in where you na, all what you do is to carry another man, give them gay. Iyore, may I tell you something? All these women, so you know they help them. All these women, when you say they carry men, they give, so you not be help you, they help them. Who will be destroy life in here? You are destroying their life. Iyore, if really say they help all these women, definitely if you see woman, some women they Europe will not get sense. If we so whatever bona, imagine you born for first man, second man, third man. Now you defend another man again. Which man you defend? Wait, be say you know if you go settle with your baby father. See, may I use this to advance money women will be say they call for different platforms. From say, see if you know say you don't born first picking, you don't born second picking, you don't born third picking. My sister, you don't need my again. You need to go settle with one of all those men. You need to go settle with one of all those men that say you can't come out, you can't do a mere way or by the large way, anyway, where wadigbe, anyway, where my wadigbe, anyway, care where my digba, digba. Those are nonsense, Iyore. And nonsense we don't even do with social media nonsense. We are few way to help people now, Iyore. You are not happy there. Iyore, you are not happy this women. Who will condemn me at the more? Imagine I watch a video of Besu, or when I do live video, oh, we gwale cannot dig by no time. And oh, no, Hana, single mother, who no may be a woman with dog born like 2-3 children. Iyore, a life in here. We were one day, Iyore, we were one day. The parents who have in Nigeria, yeah, live a life, Iyore. Now you have you now all the name of where who no can no one or no can here. We get disgrace and shame no gila yakbe. You request man no me no way or two no be in Nigeria. Ona lelo who na be na who na do segbe aye. O who nya ga go wa we mo bia no we do mo bia no here. Iyore. Have you we do any wash we men we if your boy. If we were nenya we awuwewo esoron we munukbia uba otun no hu otun no bia kwem kono ne gewe man we no tawe osunu na me wa we pase we aye the next we am bia ne ya we am different bia ne ya wa condemn ya yo usuman we ni hu we bia na ni we totun we otun we Iyore one look be no we live video we are more baby mama here we are no be at the end ado atewe eruwe wadigbe eruwe ma wadigbe ado disgrace here with social media a life in here Iyore a life in here what's when I move igbo lajan we are moving igbo we are disgracing igbo very when I me we do we are disgracing now. The women with your lad, have you only kekwa, any maggie near where bo? All the name of what I'm biania. Are you giving it the good word or you are vested there? Oh, there may be a first pick, first man, who be the first man, one mama, who be the second mama, the third mama. Okay, the fourth one where you know he do mayoria. At least ohono me bie when na mo biani ya any biele diagbo ane diag obiani he condemn ye we boye igwalo. We pity ni manik bia na we pity ni manik bia. Sage malu. We me iwo ne we bona so misbehave. Yore we me iwo so misbehave. We my yore we have to boy time we me iwo so misbehave. Why be say yore o yo carry women we be say don't born like born for 3 different men. You know if you settled one, okay, you know if you call the woman say yore this woman before I give you man, why you not waiting for cause you and your husband problem? When they are you never they ask the question. You never they ask these people question to know what if they cause problem between them and their husband. The next thing you just they carry men they give them near. Usakamen we do agia ihwima we bo makle yore. Usakamen we do agma we bo makle. Okay, the video man watch you will know that be nedia. Now on our way or where wadigbe. This is a mother of 2 children. Or who wadigbe. Okay, now our wine a video ni wa we or who not be any me and na the video na who wadigbe na. I don't know a disgrace. Yori. That not be disgrace. You know, say nobody they want to talk to you because why? I know that what did they get from you? Where they not fit tell you the truth. Before you carry any single woman that give birth, question the woman first. How you tell leave your husband? What it cause problem? How many man you don't born for? Now 1 man you don't born for, I've been at 2 man you don't born for, I've been at 3 man you don't born for. You don't even ask question, nothing. So far you ask her, mommy, it cannot wear wagwalo. That one a rubbish, you're the rubbish. Who is saki hona wa? Iyore, who is be saki hona wa? You are not happy these women. These women, you are not happy there. You don't want to complain where Iyore wa mo he wa no we men no sunu. Okay, whether they demand basi ene no get to go na rere afi were ye o. Uma the next year wa call umbo piani ya ogono da bie. Ogono da bie yore, ogono da bie. Where need the background what it cause problem nothing. The next thing you carry woman give her, you carry man give her. See Iyore the kind life where they teach Benin people not be so that they born you. Your mama where your papa born for Iyore your mama now what was my marry? Now what was my born for? Your man not born for 4 husband Iyore. Your mother not born for 4 husband. Where be say for this Europe, woman will get 4 children, 4 husband. You see they carry man, they give the journal. No sense when they happen for Nigeria, don't call they do for Europe here. No sense. I mean no sense in Nigeria. You do apart from the way boy the name of so they Europe, na they Western world. Which can move Western world? Not the wise, not get sense. Man or woman will born for 4 men. You go still come for Europe platform say they look for man. You don't say no problem because you be woman. Now women be women. Equal ya equal. Now women be women. We be service motor you they see so te jolo vous go carry big kokuba come and say or we go like big kokuba. No sense. Why the where do ya cool? Odogun no run na only wa gbu echecho one side. We man yen wu. Man yen wu. The next thing I tell you, Iyore atok be. The next thing I will oba atok be. No sense where you Iyore. No sense. Which kind of rubbish be all this one? Wait, nobody they fit talk to you Iyore. You don't get sense. Before you carry a woman where be say don't born like 3, 4 children give man. You don't go question that woman. You don't go ask her a question. When not when not okay. What's the nuna sawa? Well, not there be now. How many children, wife, how many husbands don't born for? Well, in Neyata, women Neyata, you know, they ask question, no question. Now you have to the carry man go give them. See, all these children will be say they not they enjoy their father. So for this Europe, see, if you did that category, any woman will did that category where don't they let picky they enjoy their father. You know that better. Any woman will did that category where be say no they let picky they enjoy father. You know that any woman will be saying, no, they let pikin they enjoy father, or the name of say you like prick, or you want to change your life to rubbish. See, you will never know peace in your life. You will never know peace in your life, and you know what last thing the way your matter last. Any mother for this Europe, where be say not they agree, maybe say their children enjoy their papa. Where be say na different blood, now they can enjoy. Awu wa ya we boyfriend mufua. A boyfriend in other one wa ya wodo. Man we ready to take off now. Now don't throw we use that do boyfriend. Now those now husband take do boyfriend throw away. Now man we never ready to come marry now. Now go they do all they follow. At the end of the toss na toto white. Na so na toto no get, na so na no get character. Na so na do this one. Na call they say men no good. What I don't useless na life finish. Why man not call they use until they play ball? Why men no go use until they play ball? After I don't use less na life finish. Now me they use that make parable. Woman we born for one man is the best woman so far. Any woman we fit get patient born for one man. Now those women are the respect. Now they hear me so. Any woman will be say born for one man. Now those women are the respect. You carry your children, born 4 children for one man. You don't know the way God they happy for that kind of thing. Even though say you not fit born for one man, please say first one the mistake, second one not fit be mistake. First one is not mistake, second one you go peer. Now this Europe you see say first one does not mistake, second one mistake, third one mistake, fourth one I still mistake. They go punish all of you. See, more they use sense. Iyore, many video where they watch where be say you they do where be say you they spoil what Benin people. It no good. They are them. You know if you carry man go give person where don't born for 4 men. You see carry man go give am. Which kind of life is that? You they help her, you they frustrate her. Now not be happy they give her Iyore, not be happy they give that woman. Oh. Now the men you they condemn their life. See, men, when they take time, when they use na pikite, they play with women. Anywhere on a bomb pick, when I go the house of those children, when I know the welfare of those children. When they try men. When they try go look the welfare of my children. When they use my children till they play with all these women. Why carry more kuni wona? Biare do agbela ho yiri wa nwo wa ma biare do agbela ho yiri wa nwo wa ya nene mo. The woman say no agreement across for the picking. Carry her go police station. Carry the woman go police station. Because what the women they do for this Europe, it's not too good. Most of them not be all. Some get sense well. Some women get sense. But some no you get sense. You already come and now, because they change the whole narrator, you know even the feel ask the question. All the name say they do hook up. If they do hook up, do the hook up where? Majestically. Try your carry. See, they have these people beneath. If you know say you want to help beneath, maybe they know say they try. Do it the majestically form. Not they do all those mumu. I never even see you carry single mood that person will never born give person. It may be a platform who no may be say this one are your new girl where people never born, never waste a life, give man. See women where they give men. It will not frustrating it. It will not be any condemning it. It will not money be. It will not condemning it. It will not future native go be planning yagbo. Not be like 3-4 father ne. A laughing. Are you happy there? Who are happy? Are you happy there? Where did they stop? Nobody they feel talk to you. You know if you go benin go for whether the sins where they worry in the way you the money. Yeah, who tell me we kakai we stop kakai of a man we stop kakai. We stop we have one. They get sense. Because these women were they Europe so now sense that they follow that they do things. Woman we don't born many children. You go give one man, they say, yeah, they look for later. I don't want a live video. I don't discuss any fuck here. Do I discuss a my fuck say, they one we are, they kill we are rubbish. All these are rubbish. Iyore, maybe they take time, you they spoil Benin people, you know they help Benin people. The real people don't know what they do. If I need a school man who needs to walk about away and they try. What do you scam who try the try? Don't not try. When you carry woman without bomb for where we say nobody they toast for outside. I mean we don't know toast boy. Yeah my vein ya. You get your gogine or what me not be yore. Mommy yore talk be oba talk be la ite wa gwa lo ya after you don't frustrate your life finish. After you don't frustrate your life finish, you build like 3-4 father. About we don't time go look that money. After you don't born for like 3-4 father, and then you say me the family give you. Which kind of life be all those one? What are they spoil your life for Europe? Europe not be here for the spoil person life. Europe you call your also, not be the go spoil your life. You call your also, not be the go spoil your life. You already they condemn all of that. They say they help now. Which help? Which help? See, they take time for being people body. They take time where they warn you. They take time for being people body because you all don't the pass. Be careful. Yeah, people everywhere.
Okay, my amazing people, we don't come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope una here with see our brother come outside, come talk. And don't come outside, come send message to Mommy Yore. Anyway, my people may not be like saying, I make they analyze them more. Now, so I talk and reach our don't praise, don't verse, and don't provoke. Anyway, may not be like say, I can't do too much they talk. As soon as see, make una comment for down of this video, and we really do appreciate. Please do us a favor by subscribing and like this video. Share this video. We'll see you all in our next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.